Biotech has a PR problem. In some polls, it's been viewed as even worse than the tobacco industry. From the outside, it looks like hype that results in overpriced drugs that never quite work. From the inside, okay, sometimes that's what happens. But it's also way more human than people think. It's messy, complicated, risky, and full of people who genuinely want to make the world better. That's why I'm starting Boba Biotech. I'm Armon Sharei. You might know me from the cell cartoons we post on LinkedIn. If you don't, great, this will be more fun. I was born in California, grew up in Iran and Dubai, and somehow ended up spending most of my life thinking about engineering cells. I'm a chemical engineer by training, and during my PhD, my colleagues and I accidentally discovered something a little crazy that led to my first company, SQZ Biotech. SQZ went on to operate for 10 years. We raised about $400 million, partnered with Roche, went public in 2020, and tried to create a new class of cancer therapies. It was definitely exciting, it was painful, some things worked, and a lot of things didn't. And eventually, the board and I disagreed on where the company should go. So they kicked me out for being an insubordinate little shit. After swearing I would never start another company, we founded Portal, a next-gen version of what SQZ had started. And today we have over 100 customers, a growing team, and support from DARPA to democratize access to next-gen cell therapy. When I'm not doing that, I play soccer, chase my 3 kids, or blast EDM at irresponsible volumes, and proudly sustain a near daily boba habit. But at the core of everything I do is a simple belief. If you make a difference through science, that difference is irreversible. No one can ever take back a cure to a disease. And that's why this podcast exists. Boba Biotech is about giving biotech a real face. It's about scientists, founders, investors, pharma leaders, and the people in between talking without the sanitized bullshit about how this industry actually works. We'll talk about science, clinical trials, finance, and all the other ingredients that go into making a drug. Because behind every trial, every deal, and every headline, there are people trying to make things better and doing it the hard way. Here, the only sugarcoating is on our boba. Grab a drink and let's talk.